Well, okay, everybody, welcome back. Happy you're here. We will continue the Dow Chronicles with the Boeing Company. Now, I know some of what Boeing does. They are in the industrials, I believe, of sectors. Let's check here. Yeah, industrials, aerospace, and defense, right. The Boeing Company, together with its subsidiaries, designs, develops, manufactures, sells, services, and supports commercial jetliners, military aircraft, satellites, missile defense, human spaceflight, and launch systems and services worldwide. So, commercial airplanes, defense, and space, and all that good stuff. Okay, so here we go. So, now I haven't looked at Boeing in forever, so I really have no idea what to expect. Let's see. So, the current price is $203. Let's start there, okay? It looks to me like the all-time high was, let's see, I want to get this right. It was, all right, somewhere around 439, probably above that. So around 439. So it's down quite a bit from all time. And I don't know, man. This stock, it isn't a steady up. It's kind of like it's kind of, all over the place. I don't know. We'll see. So let's see what we can figure out, okay, about this thing. Analysts say it's overvalued. So market cap 121 billion. PE ratio not available. Earnings per share negative $8.07. What? And then no dividend at all. This isn't looking good. No dividend, and that's not looking good. So let's scroll down and see what the revenue is. All right, the revenue is, it was way up, and then it went down in 2020. It's been up ever since. That's good, but the earnings are a disaster. Earnings are negative. So for the past 3 years, revenue is up. Like this, like I love, but then earnings are just down, a little bit down, more down. Okay, that's... Well, let's continue. Let's go to statistics. Okay. Forward PE of 416. Yeah, okay. All right, here we go. Listen to this garbage. Profit margin negative 7.41%. Operating margin negative 0.50%. Okay, I want to say something about this right off the bat here. Now, it's not terrible, but it's negative. I don't want to see negative nothing. How about that? Right? All right, let me continue before I flip out. Return on assets, negative 0.15%. Okay, let's just go to total cash and debt. Total cash, 17 billion. Total debt, 58 billion. Operating cash flow, 3.51 billion. That's positive. Levered free cash flow, that's positive. So 5 billion. Okay, and of course, no dividends, so there's no payout ratio. Okay. So, all right, let's go to analysis. Because I already know they're losing money here. So let's just go to the analysis. See what the sales growth is. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is surprising. Okay. So for this year, 2023, it's 19.30%. And then 2024, 14.20%. Wow. So the sales growth is supposed to be like awesome. Awesome. But everything else is not awesome. Okay? Now you might say, well, hey, wait a second. Maybe they're just having a bad time right now. The stock is low, right? Maybe I should buy it now. You do what you want to do. My suggestion is no. No way. Remember, they're not doing well, and they've never really had a good track record, and they're overvalued. I mean, they're just all over the place, and I don't trust them. No, I thought it'd be better than this. Well, you would think to be on the Dow, you'd have to do better than this. But, it's not a nightmare. But, yeah, they're not making money. I'm not buying them. They're not profitable. I'm not buying them. Negative? I don't want to see negative anything. I don't want, I'm going to put my money in this? No, man, no. No, right now it's trash. Trash. I don't care what anybody says. No. So I don't like Boeing at all. We'll look at the earnings estimates here, I guess. For the current year, the average estimate, according to the analysts, like 20 analysts, is going to be, so an average is 0.35 of earnings. So they're barely At worst case, low is negative 2.83. So, and a high is 3.52. So, and next year it's all better. Don't get me wrong. Maybe it will be, maybe it won't be. But I don't need to play. I don't need to gamble. I'm investing, not gambling. This thing right now is not profitable. Okay? And its track record looks not good at all. And there's no dividend. So no, hell no. No, Boeing is a big no, don't buy it. If I had it, would I sell it? No, I probably wouldn't sell it. But I also wouldn't buy it. Yeah. I definitely wouldn't buy it right now at this price, or really any price. I just don't, there's a bunch of things I don't like. Even if it had a dividend, I wouldn't buy it. And it doesn't have a dividend, so it's really easy for me not to buy. So no dividend, and you're not profitable, and you got a bad track record. No. I'm getting all worked up. No. So I don't need to go to financials. I see what's going on. I don't need to dive that deep. It's easy to see. No. At least not at this point in time. And, I think I looked a long time ago at Boeing, like a year or two ago or something. I didn't like it then either. And now that I remember, yeah. But anyway, current stock price 203. If you have to buy it, I say don't buy it. If you have to, and you're going to do it anyhow, don't buy much. All right, just buy a tiny little bit. All right, I don't like it. So that was easy. Okay, so, all right then. Well, all I know how to say is thank you so much for being here. Bless each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. It means everything in the world to me, you being here. And so until our next video, peace.